Welcome. In front of me is an iPad Pro, and today I'll show you how to use the split screen on the iPad. So it's enabled by default, and when you open up, say, an app like this, Safari, you can then pull up the dock from the bottom. Just don't pull it up too much, you will then close the app itself. And as you can see, we'll have basically the dock that you have normally right here. You can also add apps here, so they're easily accessible. But going back, if I open it, then I can add additional app that I can view. So for instance, I'm gonna take messages, and all I can do, just as you can see, grab it, it kind of becomes a little transparent. Let me just kind of try to show it on camera better. It becomes transparent, and I can just drag it and drop it like so. And from here I can view whatever I'm viewing here. And this is right now in like a slide mode, so I can just push it out of the way and continue doing whatever I'm doing here, and then take it out again like so. So as you can see, and slide it back if I like to. Now I can also put it in full screen by just doing like this, say make it bigger or smaller, whatever I want. And now I can use basically both screens or both apps. And when you go back into recent, you'll see that these two apps are now clipped together, and if you open them, they will open up both at the same time. And yeah, now if you slide it like so, it will not be anymore in the slide. You will have to open it up again to have it like so. And you can do this basically with every app. I'm just using messages as an example. And yeah, so that is basically how you use the split screen on this device. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.